Hello, welcome to your Next Cars YouTube channel. Wasim here presenting you a quick walk around presentation of this stunning 3 Series saloon we have in 2015 330 diesel X-Drive, covered 57,000 miles, presented in Estral Blue, 2-owner vehicle with a full BMW service history. Purpose of this video is to help you make an informed buying decision. I'll take you for a brief walk around, showing you the condition, some of the factory options, as well as the styling enhancements we have made in-house. As you can see, has the xenon headlight package at the front and rear parking sensors, and the beautiful gloss styling kit which we have fitted in-house. 19-inch wheel upgrade, 405 style with brand new tyres all round, M Sport Plus pack with the blue performance brakes and privacy glass and Harman Kardon sound. Some really good options on it. X-Drive logo, rear parking sensors. Let's take a look at the boot. Really well presented, nice and tidy, big loading bay. The original set of mats and locking wheel nut is present. Driver's side of the vehicle, again, very tidy all round. The wheels and the body kit look really good on this colour. Taking a look at the internal of the vehicle, you see we have the Harman Kardon system there. All electric windows and electric mirrors. Black Dakota leather. Heated front seats. Let's take a look inside. Professional widescreen navigation system. Dual zone climate control, heated front seats. The mileage is just shy of 57, so 56,950. Take a look at the service info for you. Engine oil due in 7,000 miles, front brakes in 3,002 and rear brakes in 48. Service history wise, right from 14 all the way to 56, all at BMW main agent. Really well presented inside as well, nice and tidy, Isofix rear bench. PCP and HP available. Part exchange is very welcome. Thank you very much for watching and keep safe. Thank you.